Both Scrum and Kanban are popular frameworks, but they take different routes to achieve the same goal. And while both belong to the Agile family, their working styles, planning approach, and pace differ quite a bit. Scrum follows a structured, time-boxed routine, whereas Kanban focuses on continuous flow without rigid timeframes. Let's break it down with real-world analogies, clear examples, and simple explanations, so you can understand not just what they are, but also when to use each, whether you're managing a tech project, a marketing campaign, or even personal productivity. So, let's get started. Firstly, what is Scrum? Well, Scrum is like working in short, planned races, called sprints. The team decides what they can achieve in a short time, usually 2 to 4 weeks, focuses only on that, and delivers it before moving on to the next goal. Think of Scrum like planning weekly bakery orders. Every Monday, your team decides what cakes to bake this week. You bake, test, sell, and review, before starting again next week. Let's take another example. Imagine you're developing a mobile app. You plan a 2-week sprint to build the login page and user profile. Every morning, your team does a stand-up meeting to share progress and challenges. At the end of the sprint, you review what's done and what needs improvement. Easy, right? Now, Scrum has key roles too. Let's understand each. First, product owner. They set priorities, aka what needs to be built first. Scrum Master. This role ensures everyone follows the process and removes obstacles. Team members. This role includes designers, developers, and testers who actually build the product. Overall, Scrum is best for teams that work on complex projects and like structure. Next, what is Kanban? Well, Kanban is all about continuous flow. Instead of planning sprints, work moves smoothly through stages until it's done. It's visual, flexible, and ongoing. Think of Kanban like a restaurant kitchen. Orders, aka tasks, keep coming in. One chef chops, another cooks, and another plates. Each dish moves through a pipeline until it's served. Let's take an example of the same mobile app team, but using Kanban. You create a Kanban board with columns like to do, in progress, and done. Each task, like design login page, is a card that moves through these stages. There are no fixed sprints here. Work keeps flowing as soon as new tasks arrive. See the difference now? Well, Kanban's key principles are visual workflow. Here, everyone can see what's being worked on. WIP limits, or work in progress limits. Here, teams limits how many tasks can be active at once to avoid chaos. And continuous delivery, in which work is released as soon as it's ready. No need to wait for a sprint to end. Kanban is best for teams with ongoing tasks like customer support, marketing, or maintenance. Next, here's a comparison table explaining the difference between Scrum versus Kanban. Lastly, I'd like to say that Scrum is like running short races, focused, goal-oriented, and perfect for teams that thrive on structure, whereas Kanban is more like a conveyor belt. Tasks keep flowing, making it ideal for teams that need flexibility and quick turnarounds. In short, Scrum equals sprints and structure. Kanban equals flow and flexibility. Both frameworks help teams deliver faster, collaborate better, and continuously improve, which is the heart of Agile itself. Like this video? Be sure to subscribe to show your support and get more content like this one.